what's going on, my friends? Miller Bread here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a professional video for free, right? Like, you don't need to buy those expensive screen capturing software where you have to spend like $300. That's the Camtasia software. But here I'm going to be showing you how to record your webcam and the screen of your desktop for free, because for now the software is for free and a lot of people are actually using it. So I'm here to teach you how you can do it. So this software is called OBS Studio. So you go here, OBS Studio project. So this is the software that I am actually using right now. So this is the software I'm using on creating all of my videos, where you will see me here on the webcam, and also you can see me giving you tutorials how to videos on and a lot of stuff here on my computer, right? So you can see my screen and you can see my webcam. So on this right side. So this is the software. So you just have to download this. If it's Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, then you install it. No, I don't need to show you that, but I will show you the setup. So you go here on sources, right? So you just click plus, and then you will see here all of the sources that you want to put on. So let's say here that you need to put a video capture device. So this is your webcam. So if you click here, you will then add. All right, this is I already have one here. If you see, I already have one here, so I don't need to add another one, unless you have another webcam that you can attach your computer and you be on this different angle, right? So that's one. And then the other one is display capture. So display capture is your screen, right, or your computer. So that's it. So these are just the two things that I add here, and this is the result you're showing now. So you can see here that if I just go here on my desktop, or if I go here on my whiteboard, like what I did a few minutes ago, you will see now me with the webcam and here on my whiteboard, right? So this is really easy and it's absolutely free, and it's a good way for you to create content for your audience, right? And it's also a software that I recommend if you're into streaming, right? You don't need to buy expensive software again. You can use this software, OBS Studio, to record a camera and then play on your computer or on your laptop, right? So you can screen here, play video games, upload to YouTube, and people will actually love that. So it actually costs you nothing. Right, so I hope you get value from this video, and if you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions or need help with your online business, just let me know, because I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.